What's going on, y'all? Chris Bone here for Meat Off the Bone. It's lunchtime, and I want something a little bit different. As most of you know, I've kind of changed my my eating habits a little bit in the last couple of months because, well, you can see on a couple of the older videos, I was getting a little bit on the bigger side, and I did not want that at all. And so, with it's just a slight change of diet, but the change I did make, I like to bring it to y'all as well. And this is going to be one of them. What we're going to do today is just make a simple chicken salad. I'm not going to make a chicken salad sandwich because I don't eat that much carbs, but I will be using this just for video sake purposes. I made a pita video maybe last week, but I liked it so much that I went out and got this again. I really like the bread. It's whole wheat. It's a oat bran flax. I mean, it's actually really good for you. So I don't like to eat a lot of carbs, but the carbs I will have will be in this, and this works out really well. So let's get started. It's going to be a simple, like I said, simple chicken salad that anybody can do, young or old, with really the minimal of ingredients. See, we have a chicken, just canned chicken. Make sure it's a chicken in water and not in oil. Usually you see like tuna in water, tuna in oil, but you can't find chicken in oil. I don't recommend it at all. I don't even know why even they make that crap. Anyway, I found an onion lying around, so I'm going to use that. Got to have celery. This is actually mayonnaise. I have mayonnaise packets that I'll use, but I was like, nah, I just get it from the big jug. I didn't want the big old mayonnaise jug out here. Some dill relish. You can use diced pickles with the juice, but if you have dill relish, it's the same thing. It's a whole lot more convenient. And yes, I am putting in hot sauce. This is I believe it's Texas something. I put that ish on everything. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, I put the I'm gonna make a little bit of spicy chicken salad. Just an FYI, capsaicin, the hotness ingredient in a lot of chilies and peppers, actually burns fat. So the spicier the food, the more often you eat it, the more fat you burn without even doing anything. Just look it up. Just giving it an FYI. So I eat a lot of spicy foods lately. Lot. So let's get started. Gotta use this monstrosity here. It's like from the 70s. Actually, this is brand new. I just bought it because I like this. This is so cool. But I think all my water is gonna go everywhere, so I'm gonna finish this over the trash can. Rinse it out. And good grief. Oh. Well. That's not a lot, is it? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I just realized. You know what? I'm going to use another one. Put all my ingredients except for my seasoning. This is salt, pepper, garlic, whole celery seed, and just a little bit of adobo. That's all the seasoning I'm going to put in. I can always re-season it. I just don't want to over-season it at first. I want to always add. You can't take away. You can always add. So, but you know, let's just stick with this. I didn't think it was going to be quite that small of an amount. Mush it up really well. Pretty good. That's probably a good sandwich size. Maybe two. I'm not going to put a lot of mayonnaise in. A lot of people like a lot of mayonnaise in their chicken salad, which I understand because mayonnaise, you know, makes everything taste better, but I'm not. But you all can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you how to make it, not giving you a technique on it must be made this way. You can make it any way you want. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use fish, anything really. Alright. Well, I'm going to put the mayonnaise in. I'm just going to put probably about a tablespoon. Yeah, not a lot. Mix this up. I use Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I don't use any of that Miracle Whip, even though, you know, I should. I just like the flavor of the Hellmann's a little bit better, more. It's a richer, creamier, better. It's just an all around better flavor. But again, that's just my personal opinion. Everyone's opinion is different. Well, that looks really good right here. It's mixed up, incorporated nicely. I could have used probably a little bit less mayonnaise, but that's not hurting nothing. I'm gonna add the dill. I'm just guesstimating. I'm gonna say another tablespoon. I don't want to overpower it with the taste of pickle, but at the same time, I want the acidity that that's incorporated in with the vinegar. With that. Oh yes, I'm sorry, I forgot. I need lemon juice. I do have lemon juice, but I forgot to bring it out, so let me go grab it. There's another ingredient in there I didn't realize I had. I'm just gonna put maybe a teaspoon. Not a lot. And I saw some spicy brown mustard. Some people like to put it in, some people don't. I saw it, so why not? I'm gonna put a little bit in because I do like mustard. Go ahead and incorporate just a little bit of a hot sauce. Not a lot. And mix well. Again, if you feel that you want to add a little bit more, please do. I'd rather add just a little at a time and then add more at the end. It's better on everybody's constitution. This is looking really nice. I like it. Now, the reason I put I mix the chicken in with the wet ingredients, it's kind of like if you ever make like stuffing or dressing, if you're Southern, and some people like to leave stuff to sit and kind of incorporate the flavors into itself. Well, when I make chicken salad like this, that's exactly what I do. I like to put the chicken and the wet ingredients in there so the chicken can absorb all the flavors that the wet ingredients is giving to it, while I chop up the vegetable ingredients, and I'll put in the seasoning on last. But that's, like I said, it's just the way I do it. You can do it any way you want. You know, you can all slap it together at the same time or not. Doesn't matter to me. It's your house, not mine. And I'm not going to use a lot of onion. I just saw it lying there, so I want to use it. Maybe a third. You can use a red onion, or you can use a white onion or a yellow onion. I just happen to have a red onion today, so that's what I'm going to use. There is a different flavor in each onion, but you know, if you're mixing it in with the mustard and the mayonnaise, the hot sauce, the vinegar of the dill, it really doesn't matter what kind of onion you do. It really doesn't matter if you dice it really fine either. I just like to a hard dice or a soft, not soft dice, a medium dice. I don't have to. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to get that oniony crunch in each bite. kind of like that. And the celery is probably going to be very, very similar. I do like a lot of celery in mine. Wonderful. That's really about all we need. Wonderful. If I had some tomatoes, I put a little bit of tomato in there as well, or even some red or green peppers. Always go well. But you know, I'm just going by what majority of people have lying around their house, and it's an easy, quick, nice tasting. Let me try this. I might need some more hot sauce. The flavor is so there. Alright, I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning because it really doesn't need a lot. And I will be adding a little bit more hot sauce to make it spicier, but the flavor is so good. It's really, really nice. It melds well with everything. Oh my goodness. And of course, see, this is only one can of one can of chicken. This will actually make 2 good sandwiches. Or 4 really, really puny small sandwiches. Anyway, that's really it. Yeah, just a touch here, because I do like a little bit of spice in mine. Not overpoweringly, but enough. Great. Leftovers. Whenever you scrape a cutting board into the trash, use the butt end of your knife, always. Always use the butt end of your knife. Just another FYI. Okay. Break out this. As I did last time, I just cut it right in half to show the pocket. Okay, maybe I need to sharpen my knife. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to stuff the pocket. I'm not going to overstuff because I want to be able to kind of close it, but still has all that goodness inside of it, and let it be able to lay down. Again, this is going to be so nice. I totally recommend doing this, everybody. Oh, look, there's a hole. Holes are not good. But I'm not worried. The hole is getting bigger. Whenever there's a hole, what I always do, fold it up on itself like that, almost like a burrito. Very nice. Well, that's really how you do it. Do the folded one. Right off the bat, you get the texture of the chicken and the crunch of the vegetables, and you can literally taste all the seasoning and all the ingredients that I put in. Maybe not as much with the lemon juice, but you just get just a hint of the dill with the pickle. It does not overpower it at all. The hot sauce I put in doesn't overpower it either. It does give it a heat to the back of my throat. But all in all, everything mixed in perfectly, and it's I really don't measure anything. I just guesstimate. 1 can of chicken or tuna, if you choose, makes all of that. Makes good 2 sandwiches. And what more do you need? It's awesome. It's wonderful. Great lunch. Great lunch. Anyway, well, I'm glad you guys decided to join me on my lunch making escapades here at Meat Off the Bone. My name is Chris Bone. If you like what you see, smash that like button. Maybe you can want to subscribe. If you have any requests, please let me know down below. Take care. Thanks a lot for watching.